Sometimes the best evenings are the ones with no plans. We're heading out to explore Karon Town, so let's see what the evening has in store. This wasn't a planned video. The original evening had completely changed. So we decided to head over to Karon and simply see what the town felt like on an August evening. I've been to Karon many times, but nighttime always gives a place a completely different atmosphere. The question was whether it would be quiet or whether there would still be plenty of life around.
Swaddy Cap, I'm well. How are you? Swaddy Mai. Yep. Where you from, by the way? UK. England. Lovely job, yeah. A few people over there in the noodle house. That looks packed.
Patak Road is really the main stretch through Karon. Restaurants, small shops, bars and hotels all feed into this road. And even before we reached the beach area, there were already more people around than I was expecting. For the beginning of August, I honestly thought it would feel a little quieter.
tight squeeze there. Let's have a look around here, see what's going on.
We turn down one of the side streets that loops around past the Centara Karon Resort.
Few places opened back up since we were last round here. Huh? I'll say a few places have opened back up since we were last here.
One thing that stood out was seeing the resort fully open again. It had been under renovation for quite some time, and now that it's back in full operation, the whole area feels much more active than it did before.
Sounds like quite a lot of Chinese here in this area at the minute. Got a stone in my shoe. Two chefs are still here though. I'm not very busy, mind.
As we made our way back onto the Patak Road, the evening atmosphere really started to build. More restaurants were busy, more people were out walking, and it was becoming clear that Karon was a lot livelier than I'd expected for this time of year. By the time we reached the beach area, it was obvious this wasn't the quiet August evening I'd imagined. For a completely unplanned night out, Karon ended up surprising me. The nightlife and evening atmosphere was definitely busier than I expected.
See the kebab shop still here? Is it smaller than it used to be, or? It looks like it's got smaller, if that's possible. Wow, well, that was a little bit more busier than I was expecting, if I'm absolutely honest. Drop some comments down in the section below. Let me know your thoughts. Of course, Karon Beach just behind me there. I hope you've enjoyed the walk through Karon Town, or part of it, because it is quite spread out. And if you've enjoyed tonight's adventure, then don't forget, click that subscribe button and follow for more. And if you do, I'll see you over there.